Hello everyone, this is Swana here. So this time I am back with a video tutorial on how to create a mini album using the paper pack Sunshine and Lemonade from Itsy Bitsy, and I have also used the newly launched fabric paper, and this comes in A4 size, and they are available in different colors at the store. Please do check the link which I have provided. So this is a sheet, this is a paper bag which I am going to use, and for this to start with I'm going to take two A4 size chipboard sheets, and I'm going to cut it at 6 by 8 inches and with a spine of 1.5 by 8 inches. So let's do that. So here it is. I have the front and back cover and the spine are ready. So now I'm going to align, and I'm going to stick it to the fabric paper. For that I have taken two fabric sheets, and they are of A4 size, so I am going to stick it together to create a bigger one, so it will cover the whole album base. So once I have done that, now I am going to stick the chipboard sheet to the fabric paper, and with leaving 1 inch gap on all the sides, I am going to stick the chipboard sheet. And I have created a handmade guideline tool to align the chipboards in proper gap, so I am going to use that too. So you can create that use by yourself by sticking 2 or 3 chipboard sheets, so that you will get a correct alignment of the chipboard. So it will help you in that. So you can see in the video how I am doing it. So this is the tool I was talking about. So I am going to stick the chipboard sheets, and now it's ready. So now let's fold in the fabric paper towards the sheets, towards the chipboard. So for that I have to cut the edges of the fabric paper in slanting manner, so it gets folded easily towards inside. So this fabric paper is very easy to work with. It's not that much thick, but it gives you a good effect to the album cover. It's a good one for using as an album cover. So you have to try it, and it folds in very easily. So you can see in the video how easily I have created the album cover using the fabric paper. And now what we have to do is to cover the inside of the album base. For that I have taken white cardstock paper of size 7 by 8 by 13 1 by 4 inches, so that it covers the whole album base, inside part of the album base. I have used tacky tape to stick the paper to the base. You can use white glue as well, it's up to us, but tacky tape is better, so it gives you a less messy job. Okay, so I have finished sticking the paper. Now you can see how beautifully it has turned out. Now let's decorate the we have to create the pages inside the album. So for that, here I am taking I'm planning to make 3 flaps or 3 pages on the spine part. So for that, what I did I have taken the pattern paper directly instead of taking a cardstock base and sticking the pattern paper to it, because when I felt this paper pack is of pretty much thicker. They have thick sheets. It is of 250 GSM, so why not use it directly instead of taking a cardstock? It will make the album more bulkier. So this is much pretty easy to do the job. So I am taking 3 pattern paper, and I have cut the sheets into 7 3 by 4 by 6 inches, and I have taken a small flap of half an inch on the 6-inch side, okay, so that it will create a good flap. And I have cornered the edges. Okay, so these paper are pretty colorful and bright, and it goes well with the spring theme or the summer theme. And or if you are making a travel theme album, this paper pack is apt for that, so you should try it once. And now I have made ready all the flaps. Now you have to stick it to the spine. Okay, using the tacky tape I am going to stick the paper to the spine. Now it's ready, so here it is. So here you can keep 3 big photographs, and you can write it on the back of the sheets if you want, or you can stick the pictures there also. It's up to us. Let's see how you can decorate the pages. So now on the back part of the album, I am going to create a waterfall. So for that, first I have taken a base page of size 7 by 8 by 7 by 8, and to close the waterfall flaps, here I have taken a hem twine from Itsy Bitsy itself. They are available in wide varieties of colors and very easy to use with. So here I have taken a dark pink shade to go with the theme, and I'm going to stick it on the back, from the back of the paper, and then go through the front, so you can tie it easily once you have finished creating the waterfall also. So using the tacky tape I am sticking the hem twine here. Okay, so and after that you just tie it and see whether it is easy for us to tie the twine. Okay, now for the flaps, here I have taken the 4x6 journal tags, which are coordinating with the paper pack. See how bright and colorful are these tags. So here what I have did is I have taken 6 such tags, and I have folded 3 by 8 inches on the 6-inch side. These tags are of size 4 by 6 inches. So I have created a flap like thing, and I have taken 6 of them. So it will be covering the whole page, because these tags are of pretty much bigger size. So 6 of them are enough. And here you can I'm going to create a flap, so you can stick the picture on one side, and you can write the messages on the back, and it's up to us how you can create the album like how you want. So now I'm going to stick the flaps to it. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's stick the flaps using the tacky tape. I'm going to before that I have to corner the edges of the flaps to get a finished look. So I'm just doing that, and after that let's stick it to the page. Okay, I have finished sticking all the flaps, and 6 flaps are great enough to cover the whole page. And I'm just trying to tie the knot and see how it fits in. So I have also used a circular tag to create a pocket, and I am going to use smaller tags to keep insert inside the pocket, so it will the page will be pretty decorated and colorful. Now on the front side, I am taking 5/7 by 5/7 sheet and creating a base, and now I am going to create two pockets of size 5/7 by 4 inches, so I can keep bigger tags too on the pockets, and also smaller tags. It's up to us. So you can create as much as pockets you want. So here I have inserted two tags, one bigger tag and two smaller tags. It's up to us how much you want to. And now what we have to do is, I have taken a circular tag, and I'm going to create another pocket here. Okay, so let's do that. So I think this will be good. So I'm creating a pocket here, so you can insert a smaller tag in that also. See how quickly I have created the the pocket using the circular tag and the pattern paper. It's very easy, and you can in case if you have to gift someone an album in a hurry, you can create this album in like just in half an hour. So now it's the decoration time, so I'm going to cut all the elements in the fussy cut sheet. They have given a guideline for us for easy cutting, and you can see I have easily cut in an element, and I've shown you that. So, and before that I need to decorate the spine. So I have taken a sheet of 1.5 by 7 by 8 inches and have stick the paper to the spine, and I have taken the hem twine, and also I've added to add more color to it. I have taken a cotton lace from Itsy Bitsy itself, so it will act as a bow to close the album, and also to cover, I have taken two sheets of 5/7 by 8 by 7/7 by 8 to act to cover the front and back side of the album. And now let's decorate the front side of the album. Okay, so for that I have taken two random strips, and I'm just randomly tearing off the edges to give a tattered look. I love creating such effects. So, and after that I have taken the wordings from the fussy cut sheet, and I have added 3D form tape behind the wordings, and I have stuck that, and also adding handmade flowers and butterflies which are coordinating to the theme to add more effect to the album. It adds more beauty to the pages. You can see that. So this album is very colorful and very tropical. It goes well with the travel theme. So I hope you all liked this tutorial. So I have almost finished doing the decorations, just adding more elements. I liked all the fussy cutting elements. I have cut almost everything, and I'm just adding more elements to the front cover. I have added handmade flowers which are matching to the theme. These are amazing. The handmade flowers are really amazing to work with. So this is almost done. So here it is, the mini album of 6 by 8 inches. Please have a walkthrough of the album which I have created. Hope you all liked this tutorial. See how colorful and beautiful the album is. I really enjoyed working with this pattern paper, Sunshine and Lemonade. So hope you all liked watching this video. Please do try it once. You'll also love it. It's very easy to create such a beautiful album. So thanks for watching. Bye.